5 seconds. All these appeals and cross objections have arisen out of one common award dated 14/3/1988 of the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal, Patiala, whereby 70 claim applications claiming various amount of compensation were filed by the legal heirs of the deceased who had died in accident on 15/6/1987 caused due to the negligence of the driver of bus number PUC 5282. All these appeals and cross objections being based on same facts and similar grounds are disposed of by one common judgment. As per the facts which emerge from the impugned award on 15/6/1987 bus number PUC 5282, which was registered in the name of M.S. Sarma Transport Company, registered Patiala, was carrying a large number of passengers and was proceeding from Samna to Patiala. When the bus, which was full of passengers, reached over the Bhakra Canal Bridge, the driver lost control over the bus and it fell in the Bhakra Canal. All the passengers died while one Harbans Singh received injuries. The bus in question was insured in the name of M.S. Sarma Transport Company, the registered owner for the period 3/2/1987 to 2/2/1988, wide policy number 4577217735 EXP13. As many as 70 claim applications were filed before the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal, Patiala, by the legal heirs of the deceased passengers claiming various amounts of compensation. The respondents claimant impleaded M.S. Sharma Transport Company, the registered owner, as well as M.S. Jeet Transport Company, alleged transferee of the bus in question, and the appellant insurance company as the insurer. The claim applications were contested by the alleged transferee owner as well as the insurance company. It was pleaded by M.S. Sarma Transport Company that they had sold the bus to M.S. Jeet Transport Company before the date of the accident and had delivered the possession of the bus along with route permit on 12/1/1987 for a consideration of rupees 3,32,000, and out of which rupees 50,000 was paid as earnest money and further rupees 1 lakh was to be paid on 3/3/1987. It also gave an affidavit to M.S. Jeet Transport Company to get the vehicle transferred in their name, and hence they had no liability to pay the compensation. It was further pleaded that the bus was being driven by the driver of G Transport Company, and thus they had no vicarious liability at all. MS G Transport Company, on the contrary, contested, stating that it has nothing to do with the bus in question and that one of its partners, Sarabjit Singh, was attorney of M.S. Sharma Transport Company, which fully owned and possessed the bus in question. The Appellant Insurance Company in its reply in each petition admitted the fact of ill-fated bus being covered by the policy of insurance issued by it, but sought to avoid the liability on the identical plea that the policy ceased to operate because of the sale of the bus by M.S. Sharma Transport Company, in whose name it was insured before the accident, to M.S.G. Transport Company. The policy of insurance therefore became ineffective and inoperative because of the sale before the accident, adding that in any event its liability was limited to rupees 15,000 per passenger, and that compensation could be paid only in respect of the deaths of 52 passengers, which was the registered capacity of the bus as mentioned in the policy of insurance. On the above pleadings, the parties went to trial. The relevant issues read thus: when the accident in question, loading to the fall of passengers, bus bearing registration number LUC 5282 into Bhakra Canal at Paisanal Bridge on Patiala Sangur Road, was due to the rashness and negligence on the driver of that bus OPP, whether the bus bearing registration number PUC 5282 was validly transferred by respondent M.S. Sharma Transport Company to MSG Transport Company on 12/1/1987, if so, to what effect OPP. If issue number 3 is proved, whether the insurer, namely New Insurance Assurance Company, is liable under the policy of insurance. Large number of witnesses were examined by the claimants. The owner of the bus also produced evidence. PW6 L.K. Khanna, branch manager of the appellant company, was also examined. The respondents further produced the certified copy of the order of the State Transport Commissioner transferring the permit to G Transport Company, the agreement to sell EXR2, and various other documents. The policy of insurance was produced as EXR 13, wherein it was mentioned that the liability of the company was such amount as is necessary to meet the requirements of the Motor Vehicle Act, and was issued to M.S. Sharma Transport Company, registered